Your PowerXL Vortex dual basket air fryer is easy to use. Let's get familiar with operating when using it as a dual basket air fryer. Turn your appliance on. Select the Basket 1 button. Your PowerXL Vortex dual basket air fryer has 8 presets. Just use the menu button to scroll the presets including French fry, fish, hard-boiled eggs, chicken, baking, steak, dehydrating, and vegetables. Note, you can also manually set a time and temperature if you prefer. Next, select the Basket 2 button. Press the timer control button and set the cooking time for basket number 2. You can shake basket 2 at the midway point by pressing the shake button. Press the sync button to synchronize the cooking timers. Press the start pause button to start the cooking cycle. The appliance will beep and the Add Food icon will illuminate when it's time to add your food to basket number 2. Carefully remove the empty basket, fill with food, and push the basket back into the appliance to resume cooking. When the cooking time is halfway through, the shake icon will blink 5 times. Carefully remove the basket to shake. Shake it and put it back into the air fryer. It is possible to stop the cooking time in basket 1 if desired. Press the Start Pause button, then hold the basket number you want to cancel for 5 seconds. The basket display will then read Off. The appliance will beep when the timer has run down and the cooking cycle is finished. Your food is now ready to enjoy. You are now ready for easy, everyday cooking with the PowerXL Vortex Dual Basket Air Fryer.
PowerXL. Life keeps you busy. We help you excel.